let us discuss superelastic collisions. We can state collisions in which coefficient of restitution is more than 1 are termed as superelastic collisions. And, as we know, when E is equal to 1, the collision is elastic, and we can state no dissipation of energy takes place in deformation at the time of collision. And whenever E is less than 1, this gives some energy loss takes place. And when E is equal to 0, we state the energy loss is maximum. So we can state as the value of E increases, and approaches E equal to 1, that is the state when no loss of energy takes place, or the kinetic energy of body before collision, and after collision will be equal. So with this analogy we can state that when E is equal to 1, this implies gain of energy. So whenever the coefficient of restitution is more than 1, during the collision always some energy gain will take place, so we can state kinetic energy of body after collision of bodies will be more than the kinetic energy of body before collision. As we have studied in case of elastic collision, at the time of maximum deformation, kinetic energy is stored in form of potential energy, which is maximum at the time of maximum deformation, and later on it is completely released, because of which the final kinetic energy will be equal to initial kinetic energy. So we can state E more than 1 happens only when in a collision some energy is released. Unless some energy is released, final kinetic energy will not be more than initial kinetic energy. So final kinetic energy is more than the initial during collision. That means some energy is released, like we can say, like the cases of explosion. In case of explosion we can say some internal energy of physical body is released in form of fragments of the body. So we can state after collision, whenever we talk about explosion, the velocity of separation of particle will be more than the velocity of approach. Because single body explodes, velocity of approach is 0, only the particles separate away from each other. So we have just taken an overview of superelastic collision for your knowledge. Just remember this correlation of superelastic collisions with coefficient of restitution. This will be helpful to you in future.